Ever wondered if Ellington Chicago is a legit fashion brand or just another clever scam targeting online shoppers? I did some digging, and honestly, what I found might just save you from a shopping nightmare. First, let's talk reviews. Sites like Trustpilot? Absolutely brutal. We're talking wall-to-wall, one-star ratings. Customers complain their orders either never arrived or what they received looked nothing like the photos. Think low-quality fabrics, weird sizing, and zero resemblance to what was promised. And those flashy ads you see everywhere? Most of them are using high-pressure tactics like final clearance or going out of business sales. They even use AI-generated images to make the clothes look way better than reality. If something seems too good to be true, it usually is. Here's another red flag. The people behind Ellington Chicago are basically ghosts. Their ownership is hidden, there's no real contact information, and no physical store anywhere. That's a huge warning sign. If you're still tempted to give them a try, consider this. Buyers report waiting 6 weeks or more for shipping, and good luck getting a refund. Returns? Often you have to pay to ship items back to China, at your own expense. So, how can you protect yourself? Always check independent reviews. Don't trust testimonials posted on the brand's own website. Verify the URL, look for a padlock in the address bar, and make sure there's a real Contact Us page with an email and physical address. Only use secure payment methods like PayPal or a credit card so you can dispute charges if needed. And here's a pro tip. Run a reverse image search on the product photos. If they show up on other sites, you're probably looking at a scam. Stay savvy, shop smart, and don't let flashy ads fool you.